Here's how to make this delicious cheese and ham stuffed chicken. Start by cutting a wide pocket in each chicken breast, then roll up the ham and cheese like this and stuff it into each one. Add flour, salt, pepper, paprika and garlic granules into a dish and mix it well. Coat the chicken in the seasoned flour, then pan fry it until it's golden brown on both sides. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. Meanwhile, add the butter, flour, chicken stock and Dijon mustard into a pan and stir it well. Get the chicken back into the pan, cover with a lid and simmer for about 10 minutes. Sprinkle in the parsley and taste for seasoning before dishing it up. Spoon over some of the sauce and enjoy. Have a go at this one and let me know how you get on.